Oh my god. What the hell? Okay. I'm recording now. Oh my god, I can't even see. I can't even see. I can't see a dang thing. Okay, there's the sidewalk. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't even want to record this. I can't see anything. Ah! No. I can't even see it. Don't worry. I'm gonna record the whole. Okay, I'm gonna run. I'm running. Oh my god, I can't see anything. There's a sidewalk. Okay. This sucks. And nobody's even gonna watch this. I don't even know if anyone's gonna see this at all. My face. 0 viewers, great. I'm gonna run. I can't see. This sucks. Why am I recording this? Ow! Ow! Oh, my hat! I'm taking shelter! Ow! I can't even. So this sucks a lot. I hate it. I don't like it at all. I see I got a viewer. Hi. So my hat's gonna blow off. I can't see a damn thing. I'm dying in this. I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's really bad. What did you, I see I have a comment, but I can't check it. I'm sorry. I gotta make a run for it. I don't know who it is, but I think I'm gonna die. You can't even see anything of this. I think I found the sidewalk. No, wait, the sidewalk's over there. Ow! I think I found the sidewalk. I'm gonna run backwards now. Okay. Oh. Yeah. There's a pole. Okay. Fuck. Okay. I lost the sidewalk. I don't know where the sidewalk went. Oh, my face is frozen. Why am I recording this? Okay, I found a pole. I can't even see my screen. I don't know what time it is either. So yeah, my phone's pretty frozen actually. I probably shouldn't keep recording, but I'm almost there. It's okay, it hasn't frozen, it's still counting down the time. I've got about 4 minutes left of recording. So yeah, this is Baby Street. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm trying to make it to ECU Computers, but it's pretty bad. I don't think anyone should be walking in this or driving. Okay, the wind picked up. I'm dying, but it's okay. I think my hair is frozen too. Okay. 3 comments. I can't read them until I get to the store. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna make a run for it. This sucks. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Why did I do this? Oh, jeez, I almost fell. I can't see. Now my hat's falling off. Oh my god. I'm so glad my phone is waterproof. I'm never doing this again in the winter. I think I'm gonna end the recording, guys. This is too bad. Way too bad, my phone's frozen. I've got about 2 minutes left of recording. 2 more minutes. I'm walking backwards right now. I'm pretty dead. I don't wanna. I don't even know how this looks right now. I can't even see. Never again. This hurts. I'm almost there though. Always look both ways before crossing the road. It sucks. I'm there. I made it. It's okay, I made it. "17 seconds left to go." Okay. I'll see you guys later if I live. Bye bye.